Jess, I asked my daughter, she's 5, what I should ask Jess Fishlock before her last game for Wales, and this is what she had to ask.
Okay, am I so proud of yourself?
I am proud. I can look back on my career, but not just my career, the growth of the game here in Wales, and know that I played a part in where we are now.
Yeah, it's quite a lot has developed since your first cap. When you look back, what strikes you most over the last 20 years?
Yeah, I think, like I said, just the growth of it, not just on the field but off the field. Getting the FAW and Wales women to kind of align on how to get us to be competitive, and being able to leave now knowing that, you know, these girls have everything they need to be the best version of themselves, and then it's just up to them how they want to do that.
Yeah, I like the line in your statement retiring about not sitting still for 1 second. What do you think is a priority now?
I think it's just learning from the Euros, really, the growth areas of that. We were very fortunate, I think, to play against the best teams in the world, and when you have that to kind of reflect on and look for the areas of growth, and that's what, you know, we've got to do now, as coaches, as players, as CEOs, is look at those areas, invest in them, and keep the team moving forward.
You would have had a lot of time to reflect after the Euros. Well, you made this decision, a lot of highlights. What stands out?
I think, honestly, just us being at a major tournament, and not just us on the field, but our nation, our fans showing up. I think, you know, I got back to America and everyone was talking about us, you know, and our red wall, and I just thought, wow, you know, we have really shown who we are, and although we didn't get the results, we actually, I think, did something bigger. And I think that what we have to do now is add results to that and keep growing.
And finally, what's your advice to young girls who want to be the next Jess Fishlock?
I think just have fun, enjoy it, representing this nation and representing everybody from here is the biggest honour that you could ever have. Getting to do something that is bigger than yourself is truly a privilege, and so I say just take that honour and take that privilege and do your best for Wales.
Diolch, Jess.
Thank you.